Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's video is all about pampering. We have the 12 days of pampering countdown advent calendar. This advent calendar, oh, I nearly showed you the back, right? I'm gonna just take it off. I'm trying to find out who this is made by. I'm not really sure, guys, unfortunately. But this is a 12 days of Christmas pampering advent calendar. It was, I'm trying to remember the price of this and where I bought it. Guys, I think the price of this, I genuinely believe that I bought this from Home Bargains, and I think it was around $3.99 for 12 days. That's a pretty great price point for me. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and open door number one. Door number one, what is behind you? Ooh, it is a, hard to get out. It is a bath bomb, a little bath fizzer. It is 20 grams of product. It is adorable and cute. It has a beautiful scent, but I can't distinguish what it is. It's floral, but not rose. So day number one is our cutesy little heart-shaped bath bomb in a mystery scent. Day number two, right up here, day number two window is a little heart. That is so cute. That is adorable. Look at that. It is a heart. And what do we have here? Is this little soap bar. Does not want to come out. There we go. It looks like a little soap bar. It is a little heart-shaped soap bar. We're getting 25 grams. This is the same scent as our little bath fizzer. Day number two is pretty cute. Day number three is right here, right in the middle. And we have a circular window. We'll break that right off. Ooh, we have another bath fizzer. This advent calendar does not want to do what I want it to do. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh my gosh. Oh, here we go. So we have a little round bath fizzer. Yep, bath bomb. Sorry, this is a bath fizzer. This is a bath bomb. And this is 40 grams. So that's pretty okay. In exactly the same color as our little heart and the same scent. So totally fine with that. Let's pop those right there. Day number four is right here. Ooh, day number four is a tub. I like that. Let's go ahead and see what we've got. Okay, day number four is a body scrub. We're getting a 30 milliliter container. I like the fact that it's sealed for freshness, so we're not going to go ahead and open that. But day number four is this cutesy little travel size body scrub. I think I'm really liking this calendar because everything is, it's travel size. And I do tend to visit Canada to visit my sister quite a lot. So these things always come in handy to put into my suitcase, so I don't have to take a full set. Day number four. So we're going to go right up top. Day number five. I'm going to break my nail. Day number five. Okay, day number five is another little heart bath fizzer. Another pink one. I don't mind the pink. I'm assuming that we're going to get pink and white products because of the packaging. Another little 20 gram bath fizzer. Exactly the same scent. Not disappointed with it because the scent is actually really, really lovely. So I'm not disappointed with that at all. Let's pop right on over here to day number six, and we have another little heart window. Okay, another little soap, I'm assuming. I'm not disappointed with the soap. We all need soap. Another gorgeous little heart-shaped soap, 25 grams of product, exactly the same scent, really, really nice. Day number seven, right up here at the top. Ooh, okay. A little score window. Let's Oh, this is in a nice little box. Oh, that's good. So we have a pack of bath salts. You're getting 15 grams of bath salts. What I like about this one is that even though they're in a package and they've put them in this little container, which I think is adorable. It makes it look a little bit richer. Exactly the same scent. And again, so not disappointed. I'm totally fine with that. Let's pop right on ahead to day number 8. Right. A little circular window. Ooh, we've got another bath bomb. Let's try and see if I can get this one out with a little bit more ease. Come on. There we go. This one's a totally different color. It looks very it looks very plain, but it's not. It is a lime color, the inside of a lime. Same scent though, but again, I'm not disappointed. We do have the little sticker that came off. Let's just pop that right back on again. This is a 40-gram bath bomb, and it's in this little lime green color. And I'm okay with that. That is cute and adorable. Let's pop right up here to day number 9. A square window. What have we got behind our square window? We have another bath fizzer. Guys, the only thing I would say about this little advent calendar is I don't like repeats. I don't mind repeats if we get, for example, with the soaps, that if we get 2 different colors or we get 2 different scents, but I'm not a fan of repeats just to fill an advent calendar. I think that's a real cheap way to do things, and I don't particularly like it. But we've got another little bath fizzer, same as before. Exactly the same scent. So we now have 3 of these, which I think honestly, that's just cheaping out. You could have put a different colored one in. I mean, I was really, really happy when I got the little lime green one. If you had have made this heart in lime green, I would not have been complaining. I've forgotten what day I'm on. Day 10. What have we got in day 10? Do we have another bath fizzer? Well, we have a little heart window. No, we don't. We have another soap. Disappointing. I've now got 3 soaps that are exactly the same and 3 bath fizzers that are exactly the same. Come on, guys. You can do better than that. Day number 11. We're almost there. And I'm already getting disappointed in this calendar. Day 11. Oh, okay. This is good. This is good. What have we got? Oh, we have got this body butter. Loving the packaging. It's very gray. One of my favorite colors. 30 milliliters of product. And that is awesome. Because again, that's another brilliant little, travel size that would be great for to pop into. Even if you're, not traveling international. If you're traveling on a domestic flight, it is always good to have these little things, because if you're only traveling with hand luggage, these are perfect. Perfect. Day number 12. Am I going to be disappointed? This is a star-shaped window, but I'm honestly I'm disappointed with the amount of repeats. I really, really am. I love the little individual pots. I like everything. I just really believe that they could have done a little bit better. So I'm hoping that day 12, I'm going to destroy this window. I'm not even going to be able to open that properly. Let's see if I can make amends. No, I destroyed it. Let's go ahead and try our best to rip it open. Okay. Yeah, it's one of these. That's our entire calendar, guys. And it's one of these little pumice stones. Yeah. I mean, these are okay. They're fine. I probably would never use this. But I know people who do, and I'm happy to give it away. On the whole, I mean, the items are cute. These are definitely my favorite little items. I love these little pots. They're so nice. But I got 3 of the same soaps. Exactly the same, in the same scent. That's disappointing. I do like the bath bombs. I think they're pretty cute. And for 40 grams, I think I've got my money's worth there. But again, 3 of the same bath fizzers. I love the little bath salts. I think they're adorable. I don't mind this, but guys, come on. 3 of the same items twice. That's not very good. Guys, for me, this is kind of like a in the middle. I didn't love it, but I didn't hate it either. For the price point, it's probably not too bad. For a younger person, they would probably love this little advent calendar. For me, I'm in the middle. I don't love it. I don't hate it. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you thought below. And for the price point, did you think it was worth it and we got our monies back? If you liked this video, please smash that like button for me. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified of any of my future videos, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Guys, I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this video for you. Please take care and stay safe. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.